So see, I've not opened the box. I'm super excited to open it and unbox it and see what Zaron has for me, right? But yeah, so this is just the box. The back has my Instagram handle, my name, and my phone number. So drum roll please as we open the box. Yay! Let us finally. Okay, before I open this box, I'm just gonna say, like, I love their packaging. I love how they rebranded. I love the box idea. I hope it's made from recycled plastics. I'm just saying that will make it really more make it greater to have a brand that's actually cares about sustainability and the likes of that. But I don't know, I'll do some research into that. But I love the box packaging. We have the face wipes from Zaron, 80 pieces. Oh my god, we have the mascara, the 2-in-1, the one that takes your under eye. You can use for your under eye and the top of your eye. We have the cleansing water. Oh my god. Ooh. We have, okay, let me see what this is. Oh, this is really nice. I'm super excited. Oh, we have acne control face wash. We have night glow. I think they just kept it in like taster so that if you want it you can buy it. This is I better they pronounce. Skin by Zaron. Explorating and hydrating glow face wash. Ooh, we have lip therapy. I can see lip therapy. So we have skin glow therapy, body lotion, and we have sun protection. So I think these are just tasters so that after using it you can buy the real thing. And we have some lip balms. Well, I think this is for brows. These are for brows. This is for brows. This specifically is for brows. So this is brow balm. And we have 2 lip stains / lipsticks. These are really nice. So thank you, Zaron, because this is free. Oh my god, this I really love. Cleansing water, like I love. Yeah, so this skin glow, can you see it? Yes. Night, like I said, this is one I'm really I can't wait to try because I've always wanted it. Sun protection, we don't know how harmful the sun is, so this would be really nice to try, right? Let me just open it so you can have a look at the inside. So it's more like a lotion. I think this is this a lotion too, or is this a I think this is the lotion for night time. Yes, so this is a lotion. I think this is the lotion also. This is a face wash. Yeah, I think I wanted to get this too. This is among the list of things that I wanted to get, so it would be really nice to try it out. Yes, so this is it. Skin glow therapy also. Yeah, okay, is a lotion too. So yes, so thank you so much, Zaron. Your baby girl is glad and she'll purchase every other thing she needs to purchase. Thank you for the mascara. Oh, it's even a 4-in-1 mascara. Apparently this is not the one I have. I had the small one that had like a pink bottle and a white, is it like a white cover? And yeah, that's the one I had. And you actually had to scratch the pin. This is nice. So you can scratch the pin to actually see if you're buying the original Zaron product. And the lip stain also, I'm skeptical about it because I don't know, it's to be nice to try. I can't wait to actually try to see how it will look on me because I've never actually tried these 2 colors before. Let me take it closer so you can see it. I've never actually tried these 2 colors before. Brows, yes. I love the fact that they infuse they didn't just give me skincare products, but they actually mix it up with makeup products. And this was among the list of things I wanted to buy. I think this is like 6k. This is like 6k, but you can go to their website www.zaron.com and get .com.ng, sorry, www.zaron.com.ng to get like a list of things, and just go to Skin by Zaron on the website. Or is it www.skin.zaron.com? Skinbyzaron.com. We'll put a link to the websites below. So we'll put a link to the websites below, and you can just visit their websites for prices. I think it's like 6k, if I'm not mistaken. Oh my god, so the opening. Oh, this is really, really nice, guys. Oh my god, this is really, really nice, guys. Like my cleanser. Thank you so much, Zaron. Thank you for the kiss. Thank you for selecting me to be the winner. Thank you so much.
I'm about to give up. I'm giving up. Why do you want? The last treasure they were going here, they
went outside.
The nominees are the four. And the award for Best Production Design goes to Ahmed Abiodun for the Samaritan.
Samaritan again.
Is he in this hall? Is he here?
Moving on to art direction. And I imagine these are art direction students right here. Yeah. I like art direction. Art direction is my best class so far. Yes, Ogene Tejiri Emaduku. McLean Ayomide Oluwatosin. Sholaye Anne-Marie Okotie Ebo. Splendor Austin. And Nezi Amina Omotayo Savage.
stressful for me. I had a huge order last week and I had a dog for like 3 days. I had to return Udo because Udo was sick. He was allergic to my house, and I think she wasn't eating as much, and she was actually missing her previous owner. Very used to her. She would follow me everywhere. As in, I would go out for long walks just for like 1 day or so, and she was over me for like 3 days. And when I returned her back, she was so happy. I felt really hurt and betrayed because she jumped on her owner and she was excited, licking her up and down. That was so, as in, I legit cried for like close to an hour because Udo had left. But I don't plan on getting a new dog anytime soon.
I
came in. I'm wondering because the rest they said they're not coming again. Just me. I can hear voices.
Can you just open the door?
I'm everywhere. I don't know. I didn't bring anybody. I'm hearing people laughing. I can't see people. It's imagination. I hear it. Come faster, baby.